Hello and welcome to my online digital academy. My name is Mohammed Wasim and today we will continue to learn addition and subtraction from the exercises. But before that, I would like to give you useful tips and tricks to solve word problems. Addition signal words. Signal words means when you found these words in word problem, you need to do the addition. Signal words are plus, add, addition, total, increase, together, more than, combine, in all, how many, how much, and added to. You can find these words in description or pause the video and write them in your notebook. Similarly, subtraction signal words are when you found these words in word problems, you do the subtraction. Subtraction signal words are subtract, difference, minus, take away, fewer, remain, left, leftover, less than, how many more than, and the sense of comparison. Let's start the addition and subtraction with two word problems. Question number 3a. A robot that has been sent to Mars sends back 459 photos on one day and 765 photos on the next day. How many photos does it send in all? So in this question, we found a word in all, so it means we will do the addition. Let's solve this question. Write down the place value chart. 100, tens and ones. One day, robot sent to us 459 photos. The next day, robot sent to us 765 photos. Let's do the addition. Keep 9 in your mind and 5 on your finger. Start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 will come at 1's place and 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 plus 6, 12. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, keep 7 in your mind and 5 on your finger. Start counting after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So robot sent 1224 photos in all. Let's solve the question number 2. The same robot has been fitted with 500 batteries to keep it working on a long space mission. So how many batteries are fitted in the robot? 500. If 324 batteries have died out, how many batteries are still working in the robot? Or we can say how many batteries are left working in the robot. So once we found the word how many left or how many died out, it means we need to do the subtraction. So let's solve this question. Write down the place value chart. 100, tens and ones. How many batteries are fitted? 500. How many batteries are dried out? 324. We cannot subtract from 0, so we will take a carry from the hundredths place. 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Now we will take a carry from tens place. 10 will become 9 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4. Keep 10 in your mind and start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6. 9 minus 2. Keep 9 in your mind and 2 on your finger. Start backward counting. 8, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. So 176 batteries are still working in the robot. Let's solve the important questions from exercise 2a. You can pause the video and write down the questions in your notebook. I will be very happy if you do it on your own. Let's pick the question number 2b. 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 6. Keep 8 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Start counting after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We can write here 4 and 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, and 18 plus 8. So keep 18 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Start counting after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 6 we can write and 2 will be the carry. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3. Keep 6 in your mind and 3 on your finger. 7, 8, 9. Question number 3a. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer in 1822. Email was invented 149 years later by Ray Tomlinson. In which year email was invented? So the email was invented 149 years later, or we can say after. So once this later or afterwards is coming, so we will do the addition to get the year of email was invented. Write down the place value chart. 1000, 100, tens and ones. The mechanical computer invented in 1822. 149 years later, the email was invented. So 9 plus 2, keep 9 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. 10 and 11, 1 we can write on ones place and 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, keep 4 in your mind and 3 on your finger. 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, you know the property of ones. If you add 1 in any number, it will give you the next number. So 1 plus 8, 9, and 1 will be as it is. So the email was invented in the year of 1971. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the adding machine. 336 years later, the solar pocket calculator was invented. When was the solar pocket calculator invented? As we solved the previous question, in this question, 336 years later, or we can say after. So when we found these words after or later, we will do the addition. So let's start to solve this question. Write down the place value chart. 1000, 100, tens and ones. 1642, the Blaise Pascal invented the adding machine. After 336 years, the solar pocket calculator was invented. So let's do the addition. 2 plus 6, keep 6 in your mind and 2 on your finger. 7 and 8. 4 plus 3, keep 4 on your mind and 3 on your fingers. 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 3, keep 6 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. 7, 8, 9. And 1 plus 0 will be 1. So the solar pocket calculator invented in a year of 1978. So this is the end of this video. See you in the next video with more word problems, questions from the real world, and mental math exercises. If you found this video informative and helpful, it is requested to subscribe, like, and share to grow my online academy.